All right guys, Corey LaJoie here. I stopped by Mitsubishi Materials. They're gonna be on board of my Ford Mustang this weekend at Talladega. And I wanted to come by and show you guys what they do here. I'm gonna let Mike show us around. What are we doing here, Mike?
Hey Corey, welcome. Good to see you again.
Yeah, you as well.
Yeah, come on back. We got some special guests and we got some cool stuff going on machines out in the back, so let's go take a look.
I had a question before we go back there. I see Mitsubishi Materials USA, but on my race car, it's gonna be DIAEDGE. What's the difference?
So, Mitsubishi Materials is the company name, and for the last 35 years we've been selling that product out in the market, and we decided to create a cutting tool brand. That brand is now DIAEDGE, so all those great Mitsubishi tools, relabeled DIAEDGE.
But it's still the best.
Still the best.
Still number one.
Still number one.
Still excellent.
Excellent.
Still awesome.
That's right.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So Corey, this FR9 engine is the same engine that you'll be running this weekend, our particular NASCAR EFI Cup engine. Beside me is actually our Ford twin turbo EcoBoost, but DIAEDGE in general, Mitsubishi Materials has been a long outstanding partner of Roush Yates engines since 2012, and we rely on their technical skill sets, we rely on their reliability to ensure as we continue to make modifications on these engines that we can expedite the machining processes and controls so we can machine components to get to the racetrack that much faster.
Now, rumor has it, a FR9 has won 9 of the last 10 Speedway races.
I like that, 90%. So the last 9 out of 10 races has been won by a Ford Performance team.
If you were using any other cut materials, how many of those wins do you think that you would have? Probably not as much.
The easy answer is 0.
Right, because Mitsubishi Materials is the best out there.
It is our go-to cutting tool for all of our manufacturer needs. DIAEDGE is obviously, from a precision standpoint and dependability, the best out there.
And there you have it. There was your tour around Mitsubishi Materials and DIAEDGE. Check us out this weekend at Talladega on a 32 Ford Mustang. Whether you're drilling an oil pipeline or you're machining your grandmother a prosthetic hip, DIAEDGE has got you covered. For years you've been buying this, same product, now you're buying this. Same great product, same great cutting, DIAEDGE, simply the best. Our 32 Ford Mustang this weekend, and is Mitsubishi.